Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to draw 3 equal circles outside a triangle, touching one side of the triangle and other 2 circles. So first we will draw a triangle. We'll take side 20. You can take whatever is given to you. So take side AB, then you take B to A and A to B and cut from B and A. You'll get point C. You can join it. So we'll get a triangle of side 20. Then you take midpoint of BC and draw a line passing through A. Same way you'll take midpoint of AC and draw a line passing through B. It will be 30 degree only, and same with point C also. So you'll draw opposite midpoint to the corner. You'll get the center point O. Then extend O to A, O to B and O to C. Now see what we used to do. We used to bisect OAB for inside angle. For outside angle, we need to bisect this angle, outside one. See, this outside angle we are going to bisect. From here I will cut an arc. From here also I will cut an arc. Same radius. And when I will draw, so I have done the bisection of that angle, which is see this. So we have bisected that outside angle. Now you extend this line from O, wherever it will cut, we'll get point. So from that point to this line, we can draw a circle. See this. We have to make sure that it is touching both those lines as well as the side of the triangle. So we got the required circle. Let's say this is point Z. And this I am writing as P. So PAB, we bisected PAB. Same way R and Q also I am writing. So see this. We bisected angle PAB to get the outside circle. Now what we need to do, we need to extend all those middle lines, like the line passing through A as well as line passing through B. In short, I can say R and Q. R, P and Q we extend. Now we'll take O to Z and draw circle. So we are transferring that point. So we don't have to bisect again and again. So this is M, this is N. Now again we'll take the same radius, right? Because all 3 circles has to be equal. So we'll take that radius and we'll draw a circle from N. Should touch the side and those 2 lines, as well as from M. So we'll get 3 circles outside the triangle. Thank you.